Hi, I'm Sai Varshini from Shivashivani Institute of Management. Today, I'm going to present company review on Marico Limited. When coming to the company profile of Marico Limited, it is founded by Harsh Marziwala in 1990, and its MD and CEO are Saugata Gupta, and it has its headquarters in Mumbai, India. When coming to its subsidiaries, Marico Bangladesh, Marico Middle East FZD, Marico Consumer Care Limited, International Consumer Products Corporation, Kaya Middle East FZD, Marico South Africa Proprietary Limited. Coming to the introduction of Marico Limited. Marico Limited is an Indian consumer goods servicing company which provides services and goods to the customers and see that they are happy with their products. It is one of the India's leading companies operating in beauty and wellness. When coming to its presence, it has its operations in 25 countries in Africa and Asia. When coming to the vision and mission of Marico Limited, vision of Marico Limited is to they feel that the customers are the reason for their existing position. And when coming to the membership, they feel that it is a sense of ownership that empower them. Excellence, they feel that it is their potential. When coming to the uh, wealth makes them to grow, and in innovation makes them to increase their ideas and increase their profits. When coming to the mission of Marico Limited, Marico's Innovation Foundation's mission is to provide the nation with the first a belief that innovation is possible and is the way to leap-proof India into the center stage of global business leadership, and second, a framework to leverage for quantum growth. Portfolio of Marico Limited. Marico Limited has its portfolio in wellness and beauty. It has hair care products, healthcare products, male grooming or styling products, skincare products. When coming to the hair care, it has hair oils and hair colors like parachute coconut oil, Levon serum, etc. When coming to healthcare, it has refined edible oils, functional foods. Like Safola masala oats, Safola edible oil, and recently it has launched a product that is veggie clean, which is used to clean the veggies and it makes the vegetables free from infections and germs. When coming to male grooming or styling, it has deodorants and hair care or gel like set wet gel. When coming to skin care, it has body lotion and cosmetics like parachute body lotion. Global presence of Marico Limited. Marico Limited has its presence in South Africa, Middle East, Egypt, India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and Vietnam. When coming to the marketing mix of Marico, uh, price price should is value perceived in the minds of the customer. When coming to the place, it covers location, distribution, channels, and logistics. When coming to the promotion of Marico, marketing communications is the main promotion they use. And when coming to the products of Marico, it has collections and features of that provide customers satisfaction. Product mix of Marico Limited. uh, the brands and the targeted customers, which makes the customers feel happy and satisfied with their products. Here are some brands which to which their targeted customers are. Some of them brands are Parachute. The most targeted customer for Parachute is all age of women. Next, coming to the Parachute Advanced. Here, the targeted customers are young girls. When coming to the hair and care, it is both men and women of all ages. When coming to the Shanti Amla, it is the targeted customers for Shanti Amla are the customers who give value for the money. Next, coming to the Silk and Shine. Here, the primary target customers are female from the age of 18 to 34. When coming to after shower, Here the targeted customers are men from 18 to 34 years. When coming to Saffola Heart, here the targeted customers are people who give more importance to their health. And when coming to the Swikar, here the primary target customers are housewives. Pestle analysis of Marico Limited. Political factors. State government in India. It has major support from state government of India, and it has expansion potential in countries with good political relations. When coming to the economical factors, uh, implementation of GST in India is a major economical factor of Marico Limited. Social factors. Increase in disposable income and discretionary income is the major social factor of Marico Limited. Technological factors. Um, Focus on digital customers and employee engagement is a technological factor of Marico Limited. Environmental factors. Environmental protection is a major factor for Marico, because protecting environment is very much important, and it must be there for future consumption also. Legal factors of Marico Limited. It has legal battles for trademark and advertisement, because it need to be in market for many years. When coming to the BCG matrix of Marico, the stars of Marico Limited is Parachute and Saffola. When coming to the question marks, they are Hair and Care. When coming to the cash cows, it is Livon and Zetwet. When coming to the dogs, it is Medicare. SWOT analysis of Marico Limited. The strengths of Marico Limited are: it has excellent distribution network. The brands in the Marico Limited are leaders in the market. It has a good experience in research and development, and it has strong presence in foreign markets also. When coming to weaknesses, market share is limited due to high competition in FMCG sector. And when coming to the opportunities, it has new scope for producing new products in the market, and it can grow its presence even in rural areas. When coming to the threats, it has intense competition from its competitors, and there are some disputes between the retailers and company. Foreign currency is also major threat. Financial ratios of Marico Limited. Here are some key financial ratios of Marico Limited. When we look at the EPS for 5 years, the EPS is highest in 2019, and the next highest is on 2020, that is with 7.8, and the least EPS is recorded in 2016 with 5.44. When coming to the net profit margin is highest in 2019, that is with 18.9, and the least net profit margin is on 2018. When coming to the return on assets, the highest return on assets is recorded in 2019 with 23.72, and the least return on assets is recorded in 2018. When coming to the current assets ratio has a constant returns, and the major decline is in 2016. Coming to the competitors of Marico Limited, the competitors of Marico Limited are Adore Multi Products Limited, Bajaj Consumer Care Limited, Colgate, Dabur India Limited, Imami Limited, Gillette India Limited, Godrej Consumer Products Limited. Market study of Marico Limited. The market price on 31st October 2020 is in NSE it is 356.65, in BSE it is 356.55. When we compare 1 year data of Marico Limited, the highest price is recorded, that is 367, and the lowest is 360.50. By this, we can say that there is not much variation in the stock price of Marico Limited. When coming to the achievements of Marico Limited, in marketing, it has achieved 86th position in the Outlook business list of high performance companies, and it has won 4 awards for EFFIE 2018, 2 silver for Saffola Masala Oats, and 2 bronze for Saffola Life and Live-On Serum. When coming to leadership, Mr. Saugata Gupta has ranked 4 and 47 in FMCG sector, and 4 in FMCG sector and 47 in Pan India. When coming to Miss Anuradha Agarwal, she ranked 12th in 50 most influencing women 2018. In corporate governance, it has received a certificate of recognition of excellence in corporate governance at the 15th ISCI National Awards. CSR activities of Marico Limited. CSR activities of Marico Limited. Um, it has launched some programs like Marico Innovation Foundation, Aga Khan Rural Support Network, Nihar Shanti Amla, Educate Girls, Desh Pandey Foundation, Safola Life, Nihar Mobile Patashala. Thank you.